Okay, hello and welcome. We're just going to be having a quick look at these Sainsbury's basic saucepans. I think we got, this must be about 15 centimetre, 16, maybe 17. I had a look on the website and I couldn't seem to find them for the specific details. But what I can tell you is that they're very cheap and they're made of aluminium. They don't have a plate on the bottom, so they will not work on an induction hob, but they are non-stick on the inside. The lids sit quite well inside, and that makes it pretty good for stacking. Okay, so if I take that one off, take this one off, and you can see inside that, and the outside as well, that the pan seems to have burnt quite easily. That's because it's made from very thin aluminium. It doesn't seem to take the heat very well. And it's got, so they both have, all of the pans have a plastic handle on the top here, and a plastic handle here. It also spins quite well, just not too bad. What I did find was that the non-stick isn't particularly good. I did some scrambled eggs in them and it stuck quite hard. It was quite difficult to wash off. But if you're in need of an emergency set of pans, it's not too bad. They're not too big either. And I think they're about £20. $35, no, £20 is about $26, something like that. So they're quite cheap, quite disposable. I wouldn't keep them very long.